Hello friends and hello my students. Welcome you all again to my YouTube channel. I'm Yograj Joshi from Baroda High School NGC Secondary Section. Today's my subject is Sanskrit of Standard 9th English Medium, and today we will learn chapter number 2 Kulasya Acharaha. So let's start learning. What is the meaning of Kulasya Acharaha? Kulasya Achara means family tradition. So, children, before moving towards the lesson, let's know something. Do you ever read stories of Panchatantra? What is Panchatantra? Panchatantra is an ancient Indian collection of animal fables which is written in Sanskrit by Pandit Vishnu Sharma. In Panchatantra, an animal characters are used to describe stories and which teach us important life lesson. Today's lesson also has been taken from Panchatantra. The main idea of this lesson is following the traditional culture. For example, in Raghukula there is a traditional saying रघुकुल रीति सदा चली आई प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए. To follow this age-old tradition of his family, Sri Rama kept his promise given to his father, accepted the exile of 14 years, and hand over the throne of Ayodhya to Bharat. Same in this lesson, we will learn about the age-old tradition of Jataka bird. This lesson describes the ideal of tradition of Jataka family and the change occurring in the young baby of Jataka who was ready to give up the tradition of his family because of his thirst. Coincidentally, he listened to the conversation of a farmer and his son. He decided to listen his mom's advice and willingly follow the custom of his family. This story inspired us to follow the age-old tradition and customs of our family in order to make our lives better. Okay, let's start the lesson. First, I will read this paragraph with Sandhi Mukt. Sandhi Mukt means disjoint Sandhi. Okay. एकः चातकः शिशुः आसीत् सः एकदा तृषया पीडितः जनन्याः समीपं व्रजति वदति च अम्ब तृषा मां पीडयति अहं जलं पातुम् इच्छामि सम्प्रति मेघजलं न मिलति अतः तडागजलमेव पातुम् इच्छामि जननी वदति बाल वयं तु मेघजलमेव पिबामः तडागजलं न पिबामः एषः अस्माकं कुलस्य आचारः अतः त्वं तडागजलं पातुं न शक्नोषि. Okay, so first I will explain word to word meaning and after then explain whole translation of this paragraph. So first word is ekah. Ekah means one. Next word is chatakah shishu. Chatakah shishu. This word is compound word. Okay, this word is compound word. If we will discern this word, it will become chatakasya shishuhu. Here, Sashti Tatpurush Samas rule will be applied. We were discussed about Sashti Tatpurush Samas in last lesson. जब भी आपको वर्ड डिस्जॉइंट करने से स्य ऐसा सफिक्स वर्ड मिले और ट्रांसलेट करने से ऑफ ऐसा सफिक्स वर्ड मिले तो आपको समझना है कि ये षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समास है. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज आसित. ओके, दिस आसित वर्ड इज वर्ब ऑफ पास्ट टेंस परस्मय पद थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर. Okay, let's see the translation of this line. There was a young one of Chataka. There was one young of Chataka. Next is Saha. Next word is Saha. Saha means he. Ekada means once. Ekada means once. Trushaya piditaha. Trushaya means from thirst. From thirst. And pidita means suffering. From thirst. Pidita means suffering. Okay. So Jananyah samipam. Jananyah means mother. Samipam means near. Vrajati vadati cha. Vrajati means goes and vadati means to say. Okay. Once suffering from thirst. Once suffering from thirst. He goes to near his mother and says. Vadati means says. Here Vadati and Vrajati, both words are verbs of present tense, third person, third person singular. Okay, let's see the translation of this line. Once suffering from thirst, he goes near his mother and says, "Mother, Trusha mam pidiyati." Trusha means thirst. Mam means to me. Pidiyati means suffering. Okay. I am suffering from thirst. Aham jalam patum ichchami. Aham means I. Jalam means water. Patum means to drink. Ichchami means want. Okay. Ichchami means want. I want. Here, patum word is participle word. Okay. पातुम word is participle word. हितवर्थ कृदंत. हितवर्थ कृदंत. अगर आपको तुम ऐसा प्रत्यय यानी सफिक्स देखे मिले आए तो आपको समझना है कि ये हितवर्थ कृदंत है. ओके. लाइक पातुम, खादितुम, गंतुम, पठितुम, लिखितुम. ऐसा तुम ऐसा सफिक्स आपको जहाँ पे मिले तो आपको समझना है कि ये है हितवर्थ कृदंत. ओके. I want to drink water. I want to drink water. I want to drink water. Next word is samprati. Samprati means now. Samprati means now. Meghajalam. Meghajalam. Okay. This word also compound word. This word also compound word. When we will distinguish this word, it becomes Meghasya Jalam. Meghasya Jalam. So here Tatpurush Samas rule will be applied. Okay. Next word is next word is na milati. Meghajalam na milati. Na milati means not available. Not available. Now rainwater is not available. Ataha means so. Tadagajalam eva. Tadagajalam plus eva. When we will distinguish this word, it will become Tadagajalam eva. So here also Sashti Tatpurush Samas rule will be applied. Okay, Tadagasya Jalam means Tadag Jalam. Pato means to drink. Okay. Ichchami means I want. I want. Ichchami means I want. So so I want to drink water of pond. Water of pond. Janani means mother. Next word is Janani. Janani means mother. Vadati means says. Bala. Bala means child. Bala means child. Vayam means we. Next word is Vayam. Vayam means we. Tu means Vayam means we. Vayam shabda is अस्मत् शब्द प्लूरल. अस्मत् शब्द का ये प्लूरल का रूप है. वयम. अहम आवाम वयम. Okay. Tu means really. Tu means really. Meghajalam. Meghajalam means water of. Meghajalam means water of cloud. Water of rain. Water of cloud. Water of rain. Okay. So here also Shashti Tatpurusha Samas. Eva means only. Pibamaha means drink. Pibamaha means drink. ओके यहाँ पे पीबामह है तो हमेशा पीबामह के साथ वयम ही आता है. वयम पीबामह, अहम पीबामि, आवाम पीबावह, वयम पीबामह. ओके, वी ड्रिंक ओनली water of rain. Esha. Next word is Eshaha. Eshaha means this is. Asmakam means our. Kulasya achara. Kulasya means of family. Acharaha means tradition. Okay. So this is the tradition of our family. Ataha means so. Tvam means you. Tadagajalam means water of pond. Tadagajalam means water of pond. Okay. तडागजलम means तडागस्य जलम means तडागजलम. पातुम न शक्नोषि. न शक्नोषि. पातुम means to drink. न शक्नोषि means cannot. Okay. So you cannot drink. So you cannot drink water of pond. Okay. Now clear? Let's see the whole translation of this paragraph. Okay. There was a young one of Chataka once suffering from thirst. He goes he goes near his mother and says, Mother, I am suffering from thirst. I want to drink water. I want to drink water. Now rainwater is not available. Now rainwater is not available. So I want to drink water of pond. So I want to drink water of pond. Okay. Mother says, Janani Vadati means mother says, Child, we drink only water of rain. We don't drink water of pond. We don't drink water of pond. Okay, this is the tradition of our family. This is the tradition of our family. Therefore, atah, so you cannot drink water of pond. Okay, water of lake. Okay, next paragraph. Chataka Shishu Kathayati. चातकः शिशु कथयति अम्ब महति मे तृषा अधुना आकाशे मेघान् न पश्यामि कदा मेघ वर्षिष्यति कदा च अहं मेघजलं पातुं शक्नोमि इति न जानामि अतः तृषया पीडितोऽहं तडागजलं पातुं गच्छामि. चातक शिशु means चातकस्य शिशुः. Okay, so here also Shashti Tatpurush Samas rule will be applied. Okay. Chataka Shishu means young of Chataka. Kathayati means says. Okay. So Kathayati word, the form of present tense, Parasmay Pad, third person, singular. Okay. Kathayati means says. Amba means mother. Mahati Metrusha. Mahati means very. Mahati means very. Me, mama, to me. Mama means me, means to me. मे शब्द है वो अस्मत् शब्द का दूसरा वर्ड है. ममा में ऐसा भी हो सकता है. कहीं जगह पे ममा यूज होता है तो कहीं जगह पे में ऐसा यूज होता है. तो यहाँ पे ममा मीन्स मे मीन्स टू मी. Trusha means thirst. Okay, to me, I am very thirsty. I am very thirsty. Adhuna means now. Okay, Adhuna means now. Akashe means in the sky. In the sky. यहाँ पे आकाशे जो है वो क्या है? वो सप्तमी विभक्ति एक वचन का रूप है. सप्तमी विभक्ति यहाँ पे षष्ठी विभक्ति है. यहाँ पे आकाशे मीन्स लाइक रामे, बाले, ओके, विद्यालये. तो इन लोकेटिव केस है. ये कौन सा केस है? लोकेटिव केस. तो आकाशे मीन्स इन द स्काई. अधुना means now in the sky. Meghan, Meghan, Meghan means clouds. Okay, Meghan means clouds. Okay, तो ये जो है द्वितीय विभक्ति यानी सेकेंड केस प्लूरल है. सेकेंड केस प्लूरल मीन्स लाइक रामान, बालकान. ओके, ऐसे राजान. ओके, इस तरह से ये इसके रूप चलते हैं. तो मेघान मीन्स क्लाउड्स. ओके, मेघान मीन्स क्लाउड्स. मेघ शब्द का सेकेंड केस है प्लूरल. समान, रामान, बालकान इस तरह से है. न पश्यामी, न पश्यामी मीन्स कैन नॉट सी. हियर पश्यामी, here पश्यामी verb of present tense परस्मय पद first person singular. पश्यामी is first person singular. No पश्यामी means I don't see. I cannot see. Okay, दोनों भी रूप चलते हैं. Clouds in the sky. Okay, देखते हैं इसका ट्रांसलेशन. So चातक शिशु कथयति. The young one of Chataka says, Amba means mother, I am very thirsty. I am very thirsty. Aduna akashe. Aduna means now in the sky. Now I don't see. I cannot see the clouds in the sky. Kadaha. Kada. Kada means when. Kada means when. Megha means clouds. Varshishyati. Varshishyati, the word form of the verb is first present tense, third person singular. Varshishyati means will rain. Will rain. Kada cha aham. Kada means when. Cha means and. Aham means I. Meghajalam means water of rain. Patum means to drink. Shaknomi means able. Okay. So here क्या कहते हैं इसका ट्रांसलेशन कि कदा मेघः वर्षिष्यति kada cha aham meghajalam patum shaknomi. So when it will rain and when I will able to drink water of rain. न जानामि इति न जानामि I don't know. I don't know. न जानामि means I don't know. Janami is the form of present tense first person singular. Okay, next word is atah. Atah means so. Trushaya pidito ham. Trushaya pidito ham. Trushaya means from thirst. Pidito aham. Piditaha plus aham. When we will listen this word, it will become piditaha plus ayam. Here, pidita plus aham. Tadaga jalam. Tadaga jalam means water of pond. Patum means to drink. Gachami means going to drink water of pond. Okay, so let's see the translation of this line. I am so suffering from thirst. So suffering from thirst. I am going to drink. I am going to drink water of lake. Okay, remaining paragraph we will discuss in next video. Thank you, student.